Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Got a gas-fired water heater here that is locking out on 5 attempts. I worked on this unit about 3 months ago and got it going. It has stopped again. Just doing a resistance check, and this is my ohms reading on the hot surface igniter. It's quite a stable reading. So those are the two white leads there. We're going into the board. I pulled them off after safe isolation. I pulled the leads out and I tested the two white leads. Those white leads go to this hot surface igniter here in the center. I gave my detection probe a clean up with my file, just a light clean up and a little readjustment. Down, I've isolated my gas supply. Remember, if you're going to walk away from the gas supply with it isolated, ensure that the end is capped if you're going to walk away. But whilst you're in front of it and it's isolated and you're sure that it's not letting by, continue to work on it. So down here inside the chamber, you can see inside here, it's going to need a little, I'm going to give it a hoover. I'm going to put my hoover down there, my wet vac, and give it a wash through. Also, as I did it as well previously, is remove the condensate trap and give it a flush through. And also I'm also going to remove the flue and give it a wash through. So I'm going to remove the flue and give it a wash through outside. I did that 3 months ago, but I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to do a test on it to ensure that it's all back together and it has its integrity. There I am giving the unit a hoover through. Let's have a look down there. And there's not a build-up of fluid or dirt as before. So we have a new burner seal. There's the old one. The old one doesn't seem too bad, not as elasticy as the new one, but it still seems pretty good, so I'll leave that here for a rainy day anyway. Gonna put the new one on. Okay, new seal is in place. Okay, got my new connection, or should I say I've reconnected my gas connection. Okay, so I've used my leak detection fluid on the joint and it looks good. I'm also carrying out a tightness test to ensure that the connection is tight after I've broken into the gas supply. Okay, I am doing up my bolts now. You see I have 4 bolts here. I have one also with an earth lead and I need to get this bolt on top and so on. So I'm going to connect up my bolts. Okay, now I'm going to clean in here out. You see I've snapped off the condensate trap. I'm getting a bit frustrated, but I can refix that. That's just a bit of plastic pipe I've got spare in my van. And there's a little look inside. So I'm going to get the wet vac in here and rinse it through some water. Remember, sorry, covering the camera there, apologies. Remember to replenish the water in the trap after. Okay, the unit's back on now. Let's test it. Too many flame failures, that's what we had earlier. Okay, let's reset. F05, let's see how it does now. Going through post purge. Pre-purge. Glow plug. Ignition. Post purge.